Hello world! Hello everyone de la Cruz. Welcome to Everyone Can Code. One or One de la Cruz symbolizes every Filipino. Everyone Can Code or ECC is an online campaign that aims to build a community of coders. ECC believes that every Filipino, regardless of age, gender, and status, can be creative and can learn how to code. We would like to communicate that coding is an essential skill in this age and time. Coding is the language of technology and promotes critical thinking and problem solving. Teaching coding is about teaching thinking. ECC aims to build a community that equips every Filipino with coding skills. With ECC, we would like to move away from the mentality that coding is just for geeks, technical, and smart individuals. And we wish to remove the intimidation in coding. With innovation plus localization, we hope that every student, our young generation, and every Filipino can learn how to code for the future of our digital economy and nation building. We also look forward for our graduates to have an option to not just be an employee, but become a digital entrepreneur and start up their own business. PMC Business Systems Inc. or PBSI offers a step-by-step ladderized training program for coding. As a technology training center, we have Apple certified trainers who can run Apple's curriculum for Swift Programming SDK and iOS app development. Join us every Monday at 2 p.m. for our online free coding webinar. There will be t-shirts for grab to our winners. Just simply follow the instructions of our trainer. And if you have comments or questions, you can post it on our comment section.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Everyone Can Code. Here in Everyone Can Code, we teach as young individual the language of tomorrow, which is coding. Now, masaya ako at nandito kayo ulit sa aming live sessions. At kung bago ka naman dito sa page namin at sa aming YouTube account, we are conducting live sessions to everyone who wanted to learn coding. And currently, we are now on our third season. Now, by the way, I am King and I will be your teacher for today. So, for the past weeks, we already tackled about the basic of augmented reality. So, last time na nagkaroon kami ng live sessions, ang pinag-aralan namin ay augmented reality. And we know that augmented reality combines the object from a virtual standpoint or a virtual object or a computer-generated object at pinagsasama niya yun dun sa real environment. Kaya siya tinawag na augmented reality. Yan. So, last time, we already started our first session about augmented reality, and this will be the last session for augmented reality. And on March, this will be exciting kasi ang pag-aaralan naman natin ay virtual reality naman. So medyo parehas sila ng concept pero meron din silang mga pinagkaiba. Okay, so yun yung maganda doon. Now, just to recap about what we did last time. So last time, for those who doesn't have the access on the Facebook Live or yung mga hindi naka-attend sa Facebook Live, ang ginawa namin last time is that we created our own 3D tree. Yeah, 3D tree using an app called Reality Composer. So, itong Reality Composer ay ginawa ng Apple for you to create your own 3D object and then project it into an AR environment or a real-time environment. So, ginawa namin, nilagyan namin, itong tree na to ay nilagyan namin ng design and then also, nilagyan namin siya ng functionality. Like, pag tinouch mo siya ay mag-flip over. Yan. So, yan yung ginawa namin last time. Now, for today's session, it will be a little different because we will create an app wherein we can view this 3D tree. Itong ginawa nating tree ay mabu-view natin dun sa gagawin nating app. So, ang gagawin natin is we will use an app or a software called Xcode. Yan. So, mga hindi nakakaalam, Xcode is a type of software or IDE wherein you can create your own iOS app or macOS app. So ito talaga yung industry standard when it comes to creating an iOS app. So Xcode yung tawag sa kanya. So ang gagawin natin, gagawa tayo ng AR app sa Xcode and then ipo-project natin tong tree na to using that app. Okay? So sounds exciting, di ba? So medyo kakaiba siya dun sa ginawa natin last time. Now, are you ready to start? Yan. So salamat dahil ready na kayo. So first of all, you need to have an Xcode on your MacBook. So, kailangan meron kayong Xcode sa MacBook nyo. Kung wala naman, you can just watch this video, you can just watch this live stream, and then take down notes, and then later, you can download your own Xcode, and you can execute your own app using the instructions na ibibigay ko. Okay? So, take down notes muna kayo kung wala kayong Xcode. Pero kung meron kayong Xcode, we can start immediately na. Okay? So, kindly open your Xcode app, and then makikita nyo itong window na to, and then create a new Xcode project. Yan. So when you create a new Xcode project, there will always be this window. Yan. So itong window na to, meron ka ng mga templates dyan for an app, for a game, for sticker pack, and everything. But for today, we will create this augmented reality app. Yan. So this is a fixed template na ginawa for augmented reality. So para hindi na tayo mahirapan. And then let's try to create a product name called Tree. Yan na lang. Tree app. Para hindi, yan. Tree app. And then don't forget to select Reality Kit dito sa ating Content Technology. Reality Kit. And then the interface should be Storyboard. And then the language should be Swift. Now, you must create your own theme. If you don't have one, you can install or you can sign up your Apple ID there so that you can create your own theme. Yeah, and then the organization identifier, and then you have the tree app there. Okay, so once you're done with this, click next. And then, kindly save it on the document folder na lang. Yan. So, makikreate niya yan. Magkikreate na siya ng panibagong app. Yan. So, totally, if you try to run this, magra-run to. Pero, let's try to look at the main storyboard muna. Yan. So, makikita nyo that there is an AR view wherein itong AR view na tinatawag, gagamitin niya yung camera mo at ipapakita na niya yung real-time environment. And also, there is a fixed or there is a built-in default object na dun sa inyong, dito sa inyong app na ginawa. So, kindly go to View Controller. Yan, makikita nyo siya dito sa gilid. So, View Controller, makikita nyo meron na dyang experience, load box, and everything. Yan. So, kapag nirun mo tong app mo, na ginawa ni Xcode, wala pa tayong ginagawa masyado dito. Talagang nag-create lang tayo. And then, so if you have an app, yan yung tree app mo. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, we will run the app. Yan. So, in our iPod, meron na dyan nakalagay na tree app. Lalabas na yung ano niyan, yung mismong camera app. Yan. So, maglo-load lang yan and then may lalabas siya na tree app would like to access the camera. Click OK. And then that will be the environment. Yan. So, maghahanap lang yan ng So, maghahanap lang siya ng plane wherein he will it will import yung nandun na sa default natin. So all in all, meron ka ng existing app and you just need to import the tree na ginawa natin dun sa Reality Composer. So ang gagawin natin, ito yung default box natin. Retain na lang muna natin dyan. Pero we will try to delete this one. Yan. Okay? Now, the next step that we will do is that we will go to our Reality Composer here on our device na ginawa natin last week. So yan yung reality composer natin last week. Ang gagawin natin is we will export this so that magagamit natin siya doon sa ating AR app na gagawin. So, ang gagawin natin is just go to export. Yan, we will see a 3-dot object there. Export, project, select the project, and then click export. Then may lalabas dyan na window. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, you'll just need to airdrop it. Airdrop nyo lang dun sa MacBook kung saan kayo gumagawa. Yan. And then also, we will export another file. Check muna natin. So, kapag nag-airdrop kayo, you will need to see it on the download. So, wala. So, try natin ulit mag-export. Ayun, okay na pala. Yan. So, you have your new reality app. Yan. So, meron ka ng new reality app, reality file here on your download. So, palitan mo lang yan ng 3.reality. And then, go to your iPad again. Kasi, ang gagawin natin, 2 types of exporting. So, you can export this 3 in a reality file or you can export this on a reality app file. So, magkaiba yon. Now, punta kayo dito sa inyong library. Top select. Select nyo yung project. And then, sa baba, you can see share. So, i-share nyo lang yan. And then, again, airdrop. So, this time, kung kanina, reality file, this one, we will have reality project naman. So, select nyo ulit yung device or yung MacBook kung saan kayo gumagawa. And then, this time, rename this with 3 reality. So that we will not be confused later kung ano yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, okay na tayo sa iPad natin. Now, balik tayo sa ating Xcode. So, we already exported our 2 type of files, reality file and reality project file. Ang gagawin natin next is we will create here a new folder. Yan. So, new folder or new group. So, create kayo ng new group. New group. So, lalabas yan. Meron kong lalabas ng folder. And then, type models. Yan. Models. And then, ang gagawin natin is you will go to Finder and then look for the 2 exported files na ginawa natin kanina. Then, we will drag it inside our Xcode. Yan. So, may lalabas na window. Sabi dyan, choose options to adding this file. So, copy items if needed. Check that. And then, check 3 app. And then, added folders. And then, click finish. Yan. So, makikita nyo na yung inyong exported files ay nandun na sa models. Okay? Now, next step is we will create the actual our actual app. So, you just go to view controller again. Then, may makikita kayo dyang super view did load. And then, next step is that we will create a reality file muna. So, ang gusto natin i-project muna is the reality file. And then later, we will try to project naman the reality composer file. So, yung ano lang muna, yung 3. So, ang gagawin natin, we will start our coding na mismo. So, ang gagawin natin is we will create a constant called 3model. And then, we will try to import the mismong model. So, ang gagawin mo, click try and then exclamation point. And then type model entity dot load. Tapos makikita nyo dyan named and then string. You just need the 3 file. Kasi yan yung reality file natin. Okay? And then next, gagawa tayo ng anchor. Now, if you can remember last time, we created an anchor called horizontal anchor wherein the app will find the Reality Composer app will find a certain horizontal plane and then dun niya ilalagay yung object. So dito, since this is a reality file, kailangan nating i-state kung ano yung anchor na gagamitin natin. So, just type anchor entity is equals to anchor entity dot, yan. So anchor entity open and close parenthesis, yeah, para makita natin, i-zoom ko. Ulit. So nawala yung ating, ayun, ito pala. So view controller again. So type anchor entity, and then inside anchor entity, we will have to type plane, kasi yun yung ide-detect niya, dot horizontal. Okay. Yan. So after this, ang susunod natin gagawin ay we will add the tree model to the anchor entity. So anchor entity dot add child, and then inside this one, we will try to add the tree model. Para yung anchor, dun siya mag-rely dun. Yun yung ilalagay niyang object. Okay? Next. This time, the last one that we will do is we will put yung mismong object na doon sa mismong app. So, ang gagawin natin, AR view. So, itong AR view na to, ito yung pangalan ng ating mismong AR object or AR view object sa loob ng ating Xcode. So, AR view .scene add anchor, and then i-add na natin yung name na anchor entity. So the hierarchy will be yung tree model nasa loob ng anchor, and then anchor nasa loob siya ng AR view. Okay, so ganun yung magiging tree model niya. Yeah. So ang gagawin natin is we will just copy this one. So parehas dapat. Okay. Now, let's try to see if we will have some errors, and then let's try to run our program. Okay? So, click run dun sa ating Xcode. Click run. Then, build succeeded, but let's just wait na mag-appear talaga siya or gumana siya. Okay? So yan, tingnan natin. Maghahanap lang yan ng horizontal plane. Let's just wait. Ayun. So ito na yung ating tree na ilagay na siya dun sa mismong project. Now, gumagana pa rin yung behavior katulad nung ginawa natin last time. So pag tinap mo pa rin yung tree, maggagawin pa rin niya yung behavior na flip. Yan. Okay. So we're done with our reality file app. This time, ang gagawin naman natin is yung mismong reality project. Now, you can choose within the reality project or reality file kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin when it comes to your AR project, or kung gusto nyong gamitin when it comes to your object. Either of the two. Pero, I think mas meron lang depth yung reality composer project kaysa dito sa reality file. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, pati yung behavior na nilagay natin last time dun sa ating project, yung pa rin yung nangyayari sa kanya kahit reality file lang siya. Okay? So, magagawa pa rin niya yung behavior na nilagay natin. Okay. So, we will try to import naman yung reality project. So, comment out lang natin yung previous codes so that makapagsulat tayo ng panibagong line of code. So here, in Reality Composer, mas maiksi yung code niya kasi hindi mo na kailangan ng anchor kasi automatic na nilalagay niya na siya dun sa project, yung anchor niya. Okay? So, let constant again, and then let's just put model 3. Yan. Is equals to try. Yan. And this time, we will not put model entity. Dediretso na tayo dun sa tree reality. Okay? Kasi automatic, when you say reality project, automatic na merong line of codes na nilalagay si Xcode dito na pag kinall out mo siya, automatic may gagawin na siya. You don't need to put this long codes sa kanya. So, yun yung advantage naman ni reality project na maiksi lang yung code na gagamitin mo. So, you will just type load scene and then, katulad kanina, ilo-load lang natin mismo yung mismong model doon. So, scene.add anchor and then type model 3. Yan. So, ganyan lang kaiksi. So, zoom in ko lang para makita nyo. So, ganyan lang kaiksi yung mismong code when it comes to the reality composer project. Ito naman, kapag reality file siya. Okay? Yan. So, try lang natin ulit i-run yung code. Yun. Okay, so yan yung tree natin. And then if you try to top it, gagawa pa rin siya ng yan. So gagawa pa rin siya ng kanyang sariling behavior. Yan. Okay? So all in all, we already created our own app sa ating mobile devices. So ating iPhone and iPad, meron na tayong sariling app. Yan. And then we already fixed our model, we export our model from Reality Composer and then we try to import it dito sa ginawa nating app. Now, I have some few challenges for you to make and you will be using Reality Composer on this project for you to develop and practice your object creation and also Reality Composer skills. Now, once you're done with this project, you can send us this video or screen recording of your project and including the behaviors of your project, wherein we will have some amazing prizes for those who can successfully do it and successfully create this project. So I have two. The first one will be this. Okay, so this is a basketball ring and then I have a basketball. Ang gagawin nyo lang, the behavior is when I tap the basketball, kailangan mag-shoot siya dun sa ring. Okay? So, yun yung first na project nyo. Now, the second one will be this. Yan. So, here, meron kayong rocket ship, toy rocket ship. Kapag tinap yung rocket ship, kailangan may behavior siya na tataas and then babagsak siya na ganun. Okay? So, that will be the behavior of this two. Now, once you're done with this two, kindly screenshot it or screen record it and then send it to our Facebook page. Now, for those who will send it on our Facebook page, we will give a certain prize for those who can create these projects. Yon. So I hope you learned a lot for this AR, augmented reality. There is more to learn about AR, pero ito lang yung pinaka basic ng AR development natin. Now, watch out for next month. For the month of March, we will have a new set of topics. It will be reality, virtual reality again. Okay, so yun yung yun yung topic natin for March. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you learned a lot for today and for this augmented reality topics. I hope you can apply it into your creative app development. Again, I am King and this is Everyone Can Code. Thank you everyone. Take care and God bless.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Marami ba kayong natutunan? Ano ang pinaka-nagustuhan ninyo sa session? Comment below your answer and the most creative answer will win the limited Everyone Can Code shirt. And to get your e-certificate and know more about our training offerings, simply scan the QR code. See you again on our next session. Bye!